Hey, what's going on, guys? This Terrence Ray, back at you with another stock market update. Currently, we got the market. So actually, it opened up, as you can see right here, then it sold off the first 30 minutes, and now we kind of like holding right here. So I decided to come on since I didn't get a chance to do the weekend update, and we're gonna talk about. Let's see what we got going on this week, right? Right now, let's do a portfolio check-in update. I currently got three positions on. Now, we can see the bonds right here up a little bit on it right now. Currently, as you can see, P&L open. Let's go look at this is the 10-year note. And on the 10-year note, I have a put spread on. Let's go look at the daily. Let's pull up a regular chart so we can see. And you can see we're right here in a range, right? See right here, we had to move up. Now I've been trading in and out of bonds. You guys been keeping up with the channel. I've been kind of like milking the bonds. This my second trade. The first one I hit right here. That was back on February 5th. And then now I'm back in now. So we just wanna it looks like see we got a green candle. We had a green candle on Friday. And here we go right here today. I'm banking on just gonna break out here, take this high out and hit here, right? So I'm going to stay with this position, and it is a futures position. I already have a take profit working. Now, once it hits that take profit level, it'll take me out. That could happen during this session today or, you know, uh, anytime, right? Because I have it to take me out whenever it hits there, so I don't have to watch it. Been in this trade for about 10 days. Gold, I kind of just jumped in just because I felt like the market, like gold had been beasting. Like you can see it just going straight up. So you can see right here, we're starting to consolidate and we overbought on my stochastic. So all I need is a little quick down move. I got a little move here, but it wasn't quite enough. I could have took it off then for a small profit, but I think we're gonna get a bigger one. And so I'm just gonna hold and sit there. You can see um, I'm gonna look down a little bit on the position. Now, General Motors, I am down on it as well. Now with it, I sold a put. So I'm not gonna close this put out. Gonna do one or two things. You can see the day starting to come in a little bit. Now, this is one of those instances with a when you sell a put, a naked put, right? When IV rank is high or higher, it was higher than what it I think when I initially sold this, it may have been like 48, 49, something like that. So you see the IV implied volatility is starting to come in. So with vol coming in, even though the market has continued to go down, it's starting to come in today. See this? That's just because vol is collapsing in GM just a little bit. So we'll see. Friday. So right now I'm right here at 25 days. Friday will be 21 days. I'll either look to roll out into April, right? So what that would look like would be something like this. I will buy this back. Then I would come out here to April and then sell it right here. And you can see right now, if I was to do that today, I would pick up 55 cents in credit. So I would take in more premium and then just roll my position out, giving me time to be correct. I could even do something like, let's see, possibly roll to the 47 strike if and I could still do that for like even money to, slightly a credit is moving back and forth. But we'll see what's going on Friday. Um, and we'll see. Hopefully, it doesn't come down too far anymore, but we'll see. Um, and so, what I'm looking at today, I just want to come in and do go over those positions. Now, on Friday, when the sell off was occurring, I did sell a call spread. I came in. Let's go. Let's look like. Let's look. It won't let me do a week. It's gonna let me do 30 days. I was gonna try to do like the last 7 days, but I came in. You can see right here, February 21st. I sold a call spread. I seen the market selling off, and I took profit on that day. Like I did that from my phone when I was out of town. Took that little win, and because the market was selling off, and I have so much positive delta, all of these positions for the most part, um, what GLD is gives me negative delta. Basically, is short the market. This General Motors position is positive 7 beta weighted to the SPY, and then I got forward slash GN is beta weighted to the SPY with a +2. So all in all, that's gonna give me like about 9 deltas positive. So basically, if the market was to sell off or continue to sell off, then I lose money overall in my account. So if I so like if the market, like on Friday when the market was selling off, I wanted some short delta, so I just came in and sold a call spread. And that was one way of just balancing out the account so that it just wasn't red across the board because I was down on everything but that, if that makes any sense. So, I just want to come in and do an update. And if I drop down this menu, you guys can see P&L, year to date, P&L on the day. And you can see my deltas right here. See, I got 8 deltas. That just lets you know that I am bullish. No matter what I say about the market, my portfolio has positive delta, so that means that I'm bullish. And I have a positive 7 in theta. So I'm getting paid for time decay and volatility decay. And that's that, guys. So today, market sell look like it's slowing, in my opinion. You had the big sell off here. Then we got rolled over a little bit here. I do have levels. I don't think that's gonna hit them all, but we are already at one right now. If you guys can see that, here's a level right here, the 2618 on the Fibonacci retracement, and the next one down is right around here at 591. So let's see. I don't think it'll get down in there today. I think we'll get a little pull back up in here to this 9-day moving average, and we might sit somewhere in here for the rest of the day. So with that, check in. But right now, if you ask me what I'm watching, it's the bonds. I'll be watching the bonds all year. I've been calling this all year. I've been trading in and out, and I actually, in another portfolio, I own TLT. Like I'm buying it because I think we're gonna go up all year, in my opinion. I think the bonds gonna continue to go up, and I think that President Trump is gonna lean on the Fed, and interest rates will come down. That's my bet. We'll see if I'm right or I'm wrong at the end of the year. So with that being said, guys, um, that's it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share the video. Let me know what you watching. Let me know what you think. I'm out. Peace.